Shocking December 2025 news. A new study just dropped. Over 20% of videos YouTube recommends to brand new users of pure AI slope. We are talking low quality, mass produced garbage designed to farm views and add money. Researchers from Kapwing created a fresh account and tracked the first 500 recommended shots. 104 were straight up AI slope. That's 21%. Add in brain rot junk, and one third of the feed is low effort nonsense. These channels, they have racked up 63 billion views, 221 million subs, and an estimated 117 million a year. Think absurd monkey adventures fighting demons in tomato helicopters, French bulldog fantasies, or fake disaster floods with relaxing rain sounds. Channels like Bandar Apna Dost or Supercat League or billions view monsters, and it's flooding new user feeds. YouTube says AI is just a tool, but this slope is training a whole generation to think this is normal. Is the algorithm broken? Or is it working exactly as designed for max engagement? Like if you are sick of AI slope, subscribe for more platform exposes and comment. Have you seen this junk in your feed? Drop your wildest AI video below.